Have you ever wondered how this cool type text animation is made? In this tutorial, I will show you how you can implement this using Next.js. The same can be applied in any JavaScript-based application framework, such as React, Vue, Angular, etc. So let's see the demo of what we are building today. This is just a typing animation. This is the heading, and this is the text, the sentence that we will be animating. I added a button simply to implement refresh of the page. This is what you see, and this tutorial can be extended further to add some cool effect animations to equally keep it repetitive. So if you are interested in this kind of projects, let's go into it. So I'll type RAFCE to start the code snippet, and we will have this. Okay, so we will be exporting default type animation. Okay, let's declare use client simply because we'll be needing use state and use effect. These are React hook, okay, that we'll be needing in implementing the functions that we need here. So we then make use of our use states. We declare text and set text, and refresh key and set refresh key. These are going to be needed. So let's use our use effect, okay, such as this. So we are simply setting the text to empty when nothing is typed, okay, and we set the interval. We are using the arrow function to slice the message. Okay, the message will be declared later. The message is the sentence in which you want to animate on your website. Okay, after everything is done, we are only using 100 milliseconds to make our text animated on the screen. Okay, then we return, we clear interval. Okay, and once this is implemented, where is my use? This is our use effect. Okay. Okay, so for every time the site is refreshed, we want to call in the refresh key. Okay, our use effect would implement refresh every time there is a change in the refresh key. Okay, so that's why we have that there. You can simply quickly do some formatting using Tailwind CSS. Okay, and we put in a button to refresh the animation text. Okay, this one is used to simulate a refresh of the page. Like each time the site is visited or refreshed, the text should animate, okay, on the screen. Okay, but just for us to be able to see how without necessarily refreshing our page, that is why I'm just implementing this button, and we're making a call, okay, on our set refresh key, which was declared here, by the way. Okay, so each time we call, we'll call on set refresh key that was declared here, we are setting back the state of the message back to 0, where no text was on the screen. So it will then be refreshed by making a call onto our use effect. The use effect will run, and since it will then have a new refresh key, the text will be animated on the screen. Okay, let's declare the message. Okay, let's say we want our user to say, welcome back to the Tech Pundit, to Tech Pundit Lab. How are you today? That should be implemented. So after this is done, okay, the next thing is to import. We've already exported it right here. The next step is to import it in the page, because this is a component, obviously. So we then need to import it in the page where we need it. So as it is, this is what our home page looks like. We then need to import. Let's import text animation, and let's use it in the page. That we have used this to replace the home, that text that we saw on the home page. Okay, so now this is what our animated type text looks like. So it's done. Welcome back to Tech Pundit Lab. How are you today? Let me refresh this. Okay, so this tutorial can be implemented in so many ways. We can add animation, maybe from using Framer motion. We can make the text continuous. Okay, so this is how simple it is to implement this on your website. This can be put on website hero sections and to animate something very cool, to make impression to the website visitors. Okay, so if you enjoy this tutorial and you want me to implement some nice cool animation by extending this very tutorial, put it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.